I'm Saurabh Arora. I'm the co-founder of Airwoot.
Hi, I'm Achal, and I'm also a co-founder at Airwoot.
I'll begin by introducing myself. Before starting Airwoot, I was doing my PhD in Berlin at Hasso-Plattner Institute, and it was in cloud computing architectures. And I took a sabbatical and started this journey, and finally never looked back. Never wanted to go back to the PhD. So I started with another co-founder of mine who was another PhD dropout in mathematical modeling coming from Denmark. And then Achal joined us
Later
with his experience working from Disney, Apple, OpenTable, and Shoot. So we're trying to solve a problem which is essentially changing the way how businesses engage with their customers and how we are going to make it more effective. So this is where we believe this problem requires a good mix of data science and user experience to bring about a revolution in the customer engagement with the brands. So Achal brings the user experience, Prabhat comes with the machine learning experience, and I'm bringing the platform experience. So the journey of our startup has been
quite interesting.
We have been working on this for the last 2 years now. We have just recently came out of the beta, got some really good customers out there who's backing us up with some really exciting and good results from the product. They're using it and they're loving it.
Right.
Plans going forward is pretty straightforward. We want to continue giving this tool in the hands of as many brands as possible, so that they can improve their customer support and engagement. And we're beginning with social media itself, so we are using the social as an excellent customer support engagement platform. I think talking about the perspective of industry, I would say this industry which we are working in is essentially a customer support industry which has been there for decades before, and this is our vision. We want to change this industry. We are bringing about a revolution in the customer support industry by bringing it more real time, making it more effective.
That's our mission.
It's a next generation of customer support which we are bringing out, and we are beginning with social. Are there any takeaways for wannabe entrepreneurs? I think there's no wannabe entrepreneurs. There's this sense of
I think
entrepreneurship.
Either you do it or you don't. I mean, if you're stuck in the middle, you would probably never do it. And if you're rethinking it over and over again, you should not do it. And I mean, you should just take the leap of faith and get to it, and only then you'll understand the ups and downs and how amazing this journey is for everyone. So both of us have done a startup before, and we understand how things change radically every day, and these things cannot be experienced if you're stuck in a big company.